Lowering blood sugar can be simple yet highly effective with these 8 types of vegetables. There's no need for expensive medications or complicated methods. By simply adding these easily accessible vegetables to your everyday meals, you can fully control your blood sugar levels. These vegetables are not only easy to find but also extremely beneficial for your health, making them the perfect golden secret for anyone struggling with high blood sugar levels. Allow me to reveal the secret behind these 8 types of vegetables that can help your body eliminate the risks associated with diabetes. It may seem simple at first, but the benefits of these vegetables extend far beyond just lowering blood sugar levels. They also offer unexpected advantages when it comes to improving your longevity. The most surprising fact will be unveiled in the final vegetable on this list, so make sure not to miss out. Number 1, yam, a natural weapon for stabilizing blood sugar and enhancing overall health. Few are aware that a small purple yam can serve as a powerful weapon in stabilizing blood sugar levels and boosting health. With a low glycemic index, GI, ranging from 49 to 54, purple yam releases glucose into the bloodstream gradually, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes, a crucial factor for individuals with type 2 diabetes. According to research from the American Society for Clinical Nutrition, regularly consuming low GI foods can reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications in diabetic patients by 20%. Beyond its blood sugar benefits, purple yam is a rich source of nutrients, providing 4 grams of fiber per 100 grams, which accounts for 15% of the daily recommended intake. This fiber aids digestion, curbs appetite, and supports effective weight loss. In addition to fiber, purple yam is abundant in vitamin B6, vitamin C, and potassium. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in energy metabolism, red blood cell production, and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and reduces cardiovascular stress, a concern for many in today's fast-paced lifestyle. Another advantage of purple yam is its versatility in cooking. It can be baked until crispy to create a healthy snack, mashed as a substitute for potatoes in main dishes, or added to soups and stews to impart a distinctive creamy texture. From controlling blood sugar and aiding weight loss to protecting cardiovascular health, purple yam truly stands as an ideal companion for a healthy body. Number 2, carrot, the golden secret for balanced blood sugar. Don't underestimate the humble carrot. This superfood holds secrets that can help stabilize blood sugar levels and strengthen your eyes. Carrots stand out with their bright orange color due to beta-carotene, a natural compound that the body converts into vitamin A. According to research from the International Nutrition Institute, just 100 g of raw carrots provides nearly 334% of your daily vitamin A requirement, which helps improve vision, boosts immunity, and protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Beta-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect cells from premature aging. For those seeking ways to control blood sugar, carrots are the ideal choice. Despite their natural sweetness, carrots have a glycemic index, GI, ranging from 39 to 49, which allows glucose to be released gradually into the bloodstream, providing stable energy without causing sudden spikes. This is a significant benefit for diabetic patients or individuals at high risk of developing diabetes. Moreover, the fiber content in carrots supports digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and helps maintain a healthy weight, a key factor in improving insulin sensitivity. Carrots are not only healthy but also versatile in cooking. You can eat them raw to enjoy their natural crunch and sweetness, steam or roast them to maintain their creamy texture while preserving their nutrients, or blend them into soups combined with fragrant herbs. Fresh carrot slices in a salad or a refreshing glass of carrot juice can quickly provide you with energy and essential vitamins. If you're looking for a sweet yet healthy option for controlling blood sugar, try incorporating carrots into your daily meals. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective, sometimes, the greatest power lies in the most familiar things. Number 3, onion, could it be the key to keeping your blood sugar in check? Who would have thought that the humble onion could be a powerful weapon for naturally controlling blood sugar levels? Hidden beneath the simple exterior of the onion is quercetin, a potent antioxidant that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. According to a study published in Diabetes Research, Quercetin helps the body absorb glucose more efficiently, thereby reducing the risk of sudden blood sugar spikes, a major concern for people with diabetes or prediabetes. But that's not all, onions are also masters of fighting inflammation. The unique sulfur compounds in onions help suppress chronic inflammation, a factor that can lead to serious conditions like heart disease or type 2 diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regularly consuming onions can reduce signs of inflammation in the body by up to 20%. Additionally, don't overlook onions' ability to support digestion. With their natural prebiotic content, onions are a favorite food for beneficial gut bacteria, helping to balance the microbiome and improve nutrient absorption. A healthy digestive system provides stable energy throughout the day, ensuring you stay energized. The great thing is that onions are incredibly easy to incorporate into daily meals. Try adding a few raw onion slices to a refreshing salad, stir-fry them with colorful vegetables, or cook them into hearty stews. No matter how you prepare them, onions retain their distinctive flavor and bring fantastic health benefits. Don't underestimate this simple vegetable. Just a little onion each day can be a powerful ally in maintaining stable blood sugar and improving overall health. Number 4, white radish, the silent savior for blood sugar and heart health. White radish, often overlooked as a common vegetable, has amazing abilities to control blood sugar levels. With its abundant fiber content, white radish helps the body absorb sugar gradually, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. According to a study published in Diabetes Care, a diet rich in fiber from vegetables can reduce blood sugar fluctuations by up to 20% in individuals with type 2 diabetes. But that's not all. White radish is also a silent protector for the cardiovascular system due to its significant potassium content. Potassium helps dilate blood vessels, reducing pressure on the blood vessel walls, which stabilizes blood pressure and lowers the risk of stroke. Statistics from the World Heart Federation show that a potassium-rich diet can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by 10 to 15%. A priceless benefit from this incredibly simple vegetable. For those looking for a natural weight loss aid, white radish is the perfect choice. With extremely low calories but high fiber content, it helps you feel full for longer, curbs hunger, and effectively controls calorie intake. It's a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy body and overall well-being. In the everyday kitchen, white radish is incredibly versatile. You can roast it to create a crunchy snack, steam it to preserve its natural sweetness, or add it to fresh salads and soups. No matter how you prepare it, white radish retains its light, refreshing flavor along with countless health benefits. Don't underestimate the humble appearance of white radish. It's the unsung hero that helps maintain stable blood sugar, protects the heart, and enhances your quality of life every day. Number 5, sweet potato, a natural gift for health and stable blood sugar. Sweet potatoes, though simple in appearance, are actually a powerful weapon for maintaining health and stabilizing blood sugar levels. With a glycemic index, GI, lower than that of regular potatoes, sweet potatoes release sugar into the bloodstream gradually, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. Studies show that sweet potatoes can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 20% in individuals with a family history of the disease or those prone to it. Not only are sweet potatoes a rich source of fiber, but they also contain vitamins A and C, which help strengthen the immune system, protect the eyes, and maintain youthful skin. Vitamin A in sweet potatoes supports eye health and promotes vibrant skin, while vitamin C helps the body fight off harmful environmental factors such as bacteria and pollution. In addition, sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can roast them for a crispy snack, steam them to retain nutrients, or add them to stir-fries to create a delicious and health-boosting flavor. Not only are they a nutritious food, but they are also a tasty treat that helps you maintain a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Without a doubt, sweet potatoes will be an ideal companion on your journey to better health. Number 6, garlic, more than a spice, a natural secret for blood sugar control. Surprising, isn't it? Garlic is not only a spice that enhances the flavor of dishes but also a go-to in managing blood sugar levels. These small garlic cloves contain a powerful compound called allicin, which plays a key role in improving insulin sensitivity and stabilizing blood sugar. In fact, garlic can reduce fasting blood sugar levels, a vital benefit for those concerned about their blood sugar levels. Additionally, garlic is an effective anti-inflammatory agent. The compounds in garlic help reduce chronic inflammation, a primary cause of many health issues, from arthritis to cardiovascular disease. By reducing inflammation, garlic helps protect the body's cells from damage and lowers the risk of serious diseases. What's even more remarkable is garlic's positive effect on heart health. The compounds in garlic help lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol, protect arteries, and improve blood circulation. This ensures your heart remains strong and guards against risks associated with cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, garlic is a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. You can easily add garlic to stir-fries, roasts, or consume it raw to maximize its health benefits. The robust flavor of garlic not only makes meals more appetizing but also delivers amazing health effects. So, why not incorporate garlic into your daily diet for better overall health? Number 7, beetroot, the secret to conquering blood sugar and extending longevity. Have you ever thought that a small beetroot could be the secret to defeating blood sugar issues and extending your lifespan? Scientific studies have shown that beetroot is not only a nutritious food but also has the potential to slow down the aging process and improve long-term health. With a moderate glycemic index, beetroot helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing dangerous complications related to diabetes. If left uncontrolled, diabetes can lead to cardiovascular disease, kidney failure, and other chronic conditions. Therefore, beetroot is an excellent choice for maintaining stable health and promoting longevity, thanks to its effective blood sugar management. In addition, beetroot is a rich source of fiber, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants. Vitamin C not only boosts the immune system but also acts as a highly effective antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and aging. Research also indicates that the antioxidants in beetroot can reduce oxidative stress in the body, a crucial factor in preventing age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and heart disease. Beetroot also helps improve insulin sensitivity, aiding in blood sugar regulation and maintaining stability, which is essential for long-term health. To maximize the benefits of beetroot, you can enjoy it raw in salads, steam it, or blend it into smoothies and soups. With its mild flavor and ease of preparation, beetroot is an excellent choice for a healthy, long-lasting diet. Number 8, watercress, the superfood for naturally lowering blood sugar. Did you know that watercress can be a great option for controlling blood sugar? Packed with fiber, watercress helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, thereby maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This is especially important for those with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels without worrying about significant fluctuations. Thanks to its low glycemic index, watercress helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar, reducing the risk of diseases related to blood sugar fluctuations. The fiber in watercress not only supports digestion but also helps regulate blood sugar more effectively, offering long-term health benefits. By incorporating watercress into your daily diet, you can naturally and effectively manage your blood sugar levels. This vegetable not only helps balance blood sugar but also supports overall stability in the body, reducing risk factors for diabetes and cardiovascular diseases related to high blood sugar. According to research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, adding vegetables like beets, sweet potatoes, garlic, and white radishes to your daily diet can help reduce blood sugar levels by up to 20% after meals. These vegetables, packed with fiber and essential nutrients, play a key role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which not only helps in preventing diabetes but also improves overall health and longevity. In addition to managing blood sugar, they are known for their powerful antioxidant properties that protect cells from damage, reducing inflammation and supporting a healthy immune system. Incorporating these vegetables regularly into your meals can have a profound impact on your health. Not only will you be keeping your blood sugar in check, but you'll also be fueling your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to stay strong and vibrant. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal while also contributing to your long-term health. But wait, there's more. There are so many creative and delicious ways to combine these vegetables, making it easy to optimize their benefits and add variety to your diet. Whether you're tossing them into a salad, blending them into a smoothie, or roasting them for a savory side dish, you can get the most out of these nutrient-packed foods. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll explore some fun and effective tips on how to incorporate these amazing vegetables into your daily meals in a way you won't want to miss.